Greetings, Air Zoo fans. I'm Troy Thrash, President and CEO of the Air Zoo, coming to you from our silent, empty, and all too echoey lobby. The Air Zoo's 40th anniversary in 2019, when we educated and inspired a record 204,000 people from around the world, now seems like a distant memory. But I'm thrilled to say that our team is ready and anxious to take the best of our positive impacts last year and launch our out-of-this-world education and inspiration initiatives directly into your home. Through our newly invented Launchpad to Learning initiative, our team is going to bring you daily content overflowing with hands-on science experiments that you can do at home. Behind-the-scenes tours as we design new exhibits, restore World War II aircraft that have been on the bottom of Lake Michigan for 65 years, and care for 100,000 military, aviation, and space artifacts that are up to 100 years old and even older. Engaging stories of our aircraft and spacecraft and the remarkable men and women who made them fly. Children's book readings from inside our airplane cockpits, across the exhibit floor, and every other galactic hotspot we can find. Zany tours of our exhibit floor, and countless educational resources from our partner organizations from around the country. Oh, and my kids say they're even going to teach me a TikTok dance to do with our airplanes. Well, we'll see about that. But our exciting content is going to come to you across all of our social channels. So please, keep your eyes peeled for some great fun for people of all ages. We know these are unprecedented and challenging times for everyone. But just as our community over the last 40 years have lifted up the Air Zoo to amazing new heights, we're ready to do the same for our community and for our world right now. So let's launch to learning together.